Here is how trade.aibiz works. It is a global trade platform built in 4 layers, taking you from finding a profitable deal all the way to running it with verified partners. Think of it as 4 layers: trade intelligence, a verified trade network, trade execution, and trade finance. We are building them in order, and only the parts that are truly live are sold as live. Layer 1 is trade intelligence, and it is live today. Type any product, and the engine prices it across country marketplaces, finds real suppliers, and computes the arbitrage, where to buy it cheap and sell it high. You get a clear report, a cross-market price table, the best route and margin, and a list of suppliers to contact. The numbers are computed in code, not guessed with an as-is, verify independently caveat. Layer 2 is the verified trade network, and it is building now. Real companies prove who they are and earn on-chain reputation that travels with them. This verified base is the moat the rest is built on. Trust is earned in tiers. A trade score climbs from self-declared to community to chartered accountant verified to trade history verified, recorded on-chain as portable, provable reputation. Layer 3 is execution. A trade runs as a step-by-step verified workflow on BizNode, with Dubai trade license operators handling the cross-border legal side, so every deal moves through trusted hands. Every step is sealed into a tamper-proof audit record, anchored on-chain. Buyers, suppliers, and operators all share one honest, verifiable history of exactly what happened. Layer 4 is trade finance, and this one is a proposal. The vision is investors funding deals, with money held safely in escrow until goods are delivered. Because it handles capital, it will only launch under a regulated structure. There are 2 ways in. The data plan is $20 a month and gives you 5 full trade reports every month, resetting monthly with free previews anytime you like. Or take the lifetime membership. $1,000 once mints your trade.aibiz membership as an NFT. It includes the data plan for life, plus the escrow guarantee perk, and because it is a real token, you can license, sell, or rent it later. Straight talk on what is real today. Live now, the trade intelligence engine and verified identity. Building, the trade network and execution. Proposed, the investor and escrow finance layer, pending a regulated structure. That is trade.aibiz in 4 layers. Start with a live trade report at aibiz.1bz.biz/trade and explore the full platform at trade.1bz.biz.